Welcome to A Better Tech, the place to learn how to use your computer and keep yourself protected from major issues. If you have a specific question about using your computer, feel free to email us. Today I will show you some tips on cleaning up your Windows computer to clear out some space on your hard drive and help it to run better. Start by checking your hard drive to make sure it's not too full. Click on the Explorer icon on your taskbar, then select this PC. Here you will see the drives connected to your computer. Generally, you don't want to have more than 75% of your hard drive filled, as this will cause performance issues. If your drive is too full, you can try the tips I show you here to clean out some space. But if this doesn't help, you may have to upgrade your hard drive. While you are here, you can right-click on your C drive and select Properties. Then you can select Tools at the top. Select the check button under Error Checking so Windows can scan your drive for any errors to files. Let this scan finish before moving on. If Windows finds any errors, it will attempt to repair them. The second option you see is Optimize and Defrag. On older versions of Windows, this was something that needed to be done regularly. Today's computers don't necessarily need this anymore. Actually, Windows defaults to keep your computer defragmented nowadays. If you would like to check it though, you can select the Optimize button. As you can see here, this is set to run weekly. Newer solid-state drives don't have the same problems as mechanical drives have, so optimizing them is much easier. To run this, just click the Optimize button and let Windows do its thing. Just a reminder though, this does not need to be done near as often as it used to be. The next thing you should do is make sure Windows updates are done. Click on the Start button and select the gear icon. Then select Updates and Security to see if any updates need to be installed. I have a video that goes in depth on how to make sure all your updates are done. Just click the link in this video to watch it. You can also uninstall programs you don't use anymore to help clear out some space on your hard drive. Click the search icon on your taskbar and type Control Panel. You can select the Control Panel icon from here. If you select Uninstall a program in the Control Panel, Windows will show all the programs that are installed on your computer. Go through the list and uninstall any programs you don't use anymore by double-clicking them or selecting Uninstall at the top. If you are not sure about a program, be cautious before you remove it. Some of these programs are necessary for Windows or other programs to run correctly. Using Windows Disk Cleanup will help remove all the temporary files that are not needed anymore. Click the search icon on your taskbar again and type Disk Cleanup. Make sure you select the option to clean up system files. You can check the boxes for all these items and run the disk cleanup without having to worry about anything. This won't remove anything that is necessary to run Windows properly. Next, if you are comfortable using the command prompt, I can show you how to have Windows verify if the file system is okay and if the Windows image has any errors. These steps are not necessary and can be skipped if you're not comfortable with the command prompt. Click the search icon one more time and type CMD. Select Run as Administrator. In the command prompt window, type sfc/scannow and press Enter. Once that check is done, you can type DISM, online, clean up image, restore health. After this is complete, make sure to type EXIT and press Enter to close the command prompt. Once you have completed all of these tasks, you should notice your computer running smoother. You should also have more space on your hard drive. If you need help with any other computer issues, feel free to email us, and don't forget to check out the other videos linked here. Thanks for watching.